What is there in my... Okay. So I'm creating a class which is stack node. So imagine like whatever we discussed as a block, this rectangle box is called as node. Again, I'm repeating, this is called as one node. All of you agree with me? Ramya and Null. 5008 is one node. 5050 is another node. 5190 is another node. I'm creating everything with the help of class block because each node is holding string followed with memory address of some other node. So I'm creating a class and I'm naming this as a stack node. Again, I'm repeating, each stack node represents one rectangle box alone. So what it consists of, guys? It consists of you got the point. What is stack node? This is a stack node. What it consists of?
Name.
So it consists of name. Let's assume student name. And it is again holding one another node. So I'm using a regular name next. No previous, only next. All right. Okay, let me do an operation. So I'm doing various operations. For example, a public, okay, void push operation, which is insert. Every time when I'm inserting, I want to insert a new name. So likewise, I'm gonna to remove public void push. Do I want to pass any parameter to push? In stack operation, do we want to pass any inputs to push removal?
No, ma'am.
Why? Its answer is no. Why? Because I can't remove any item. When I said remove, automatically it will remove Vaishnavi only. After that, it will remove Prachi. I can't remove Ramya alone, Prachi alone in a stack. So we can't give any suggestion to push. When I call push, topmost element will be removed. All right, listen. No, repeat again. Yeah, pushing is inserting process. Yeah, thank you. I made a typo error. Pop. I'm creating an object. By using that object, I am pushing, for example, first time I'm pushing the name Ramya. And then I want to display. You can go for switch case and you can repeatedly, you can do operation. I just wanted to show you. So first time I'm pushing Ramya. So then I'm pushing the next word Prachi. Then I'm pushing Vaishnavi. Shall we try whatever the diagram we discussed? Let's try the same. So every time when I'm doing insertion operation, I want to display the content in my stack. So I'm calling display all the time. Is that fine? Later we will do pop. So what is the first step in push? When I call push and if I pass Ramya, what I need to do? So before that, ensure you have a top node like next previous. Here we need top. Yesterday's demo, I introduced what is that? Start, because we want to always go ahead operation from start. But here it is not start. Here it is top. And for the first time, when I Right. So let me go for safer side. So when I create the object for the first time, it should be pointing null. It should be an empty one. So whenever I'm doing push, this should be filled with the value. Okay, what is the first step? Okay, now you can proceed with the algorithm. What is the first step always? Or we will follow all the 4 steps. The first step is stack node, new node equal to new stack node of one second. Initially, my top will be Ramya. When I have Prachi, I want to make Prachi's next will be top, and this has to be stored with value. All right. New node dot student name is equal to name. So allocate a memory, assign the value. One second, give me 1 minute time. One second. Else. One second. I'll check the code and then we will proceed with the code. We are creating new node and we are checking if the top is null. Whatever the new node I created, it will be the top and it next will be null. One second. 15th line.
Is it top equal to no node?
No, memory needs to be allocated for top. Anyway, this memory will be shared by top. New node is equal to top. I cannot place, or I can make one second, small change. Wait. One second. Did I made any minute? Always the top is pointing to the same.
In the else part also top equal to no node, right?
I want to go for two cases. One is the empty stack, the other one is stack with already an item. Let me give a try. If it is empty, there is no data. At the time of initializing for the first time, it will be null. So at the time, whatever the new node I created, Ramya will be stored in top and its next will be null. Fine. When I call Prachi, my top will not be null because it is already allocated with the value. So it will go to the else block. In such situation, it's correct. Why I'm getting, I think I made a minute mistake. It's not swapping.
Ma'am, in the else part top equal to no node.
Yes, ma'am. Else
Yeah.
top.
No. Whichever the new node I created, I want to make that as top. Or yeah, I want to swap the top also. 1 second. Correct. Thanks. Oh yeah, sorry. It's already done.
Because you display
Yeah.
three
I
times, yeah.
displayed thighs. God, it didn't get striked. Yeah. It's working, guys. Give me 1 minute. So because every time I'm inserting, I'm calling my display method. Okay, now I can show you the difference. Sorry, everything was right. So I didn't get strike. I thought display is called once, but I called display thrice to show you every time when the value got inserted. So guys, for the first time, object.push, I am inserting Ramya. So when I try to display my list, I'll be having Ramya alone, and Ramya is the top node. Is that clear? Then if I insert Prachi, whatever we discussed in the diagram, the same is there in front of you. Already I have Ramya. On top of my Ramya, Prachi will be inserted. So Prachi's next will be Ramya, and Prachi is the top node. Same thing is applicable for when I insert the third value, Vaishnavi. So when I try to display, it starts display from top node. So what is top? As of now, Vaishnavi, and then Prachi, and then Ramya. I didn't do anything new. So whatever we discussed, even so many codes you have corrected. So whatever we discussed in theory and the diagram, I did the same. So let me do a pop operation, remove. Do I want to pass anything in my pop? No, I can't remove. I can't remove a separate item. So when I try to remove, it will remove Vaishnavi automatically. So let me remove the first item. So no need to pass any parameters. So after inserting the 3 items, I'm displaying the record, and I'm trying to delete the top record. So again, I'm displaying. So when I want to remove the first item, what I need to do? So I have Vaishnavi, Prachi, and Ramya in my stack, and Vaishnavi is pointed to top. So when I want to remove Vaishnavi from the list, that's all. I want to make top pointing to the current tops next. So top will be shifted to Prachi's place again. Again undo from this diagram to this diagram, from this diagram to this diagram. Anyway, I'll give a try. So when I do a pop, top is equal to top dot. Sorry, case sensitive. Top is equal to top dot next. So I'm inserting first record, second record, third record, whichever the record I have inserted at the last, which will be removed first. Can you see? Guys, are you with me? I know I didn't handle any complex object, complex code. I'm sharing the code. You execute and try to get an idea of stack. But apart from that, guys, pay attention. So I want you to modify main in such the way. So you do a repetitive block while of true. So you do continuous push and pop operation. Push, pop, and display. Also exit so that it will be meaningful one. I'm leaving to you. So either you do for simple numbers or name, or you can do it for a class. Are you getting my point? Oh God, guys, please respond. Will you able to modify the program in such the way? I'm leaving to you. Either you get roll number alone, you do some roll number insert, you remove roll number, and you display that whenever it is required, or you can do it for a class. If it is a class, you need to have an additional class with variables, constructor, get set, and toString. Will you able to do a stack program of your own choice? I'm not, but I want you to do. Is it possible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, I'm sorry to say, day by day, even for getting an acknowledgement, I need to suffer a lot with you guys. I'm just asking you acknowledgement, is it possible or not? If it is not possible, I'm ready to explain again. That's what I'm telling you. I tried for name. Whatever we did yesterday, that's all. Yesterday's main along with stack, push and pop to be combined today. That's what I'm asking you. Is it possible to give a try?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sharing this code and the discussion what we made in the diagram. Please do it.